వెయిట్ ఎంపైర్ 1 minute ప్లీజ్. ప్లీజ్ ఏమనుకోకండి, ఒక్క నిమిషం. అనేక గ్రౌండ్లో అమ్ముకుంటున్న గుండు పప్పుల బండ్లు కానీ ఐస్ క్రీమ్ బండ్లు కానీ ప్లీజ్ గ్రౌండ్లో రాకండినా. అలాగే అందరు బౌండరీ లైన్ బయట కూర్చోవాలి. ఇన్ ద స్ట్రైక్ సునీల్. ఓకే అంపైర్, యు స్టార్ట్ ద మ్యాచ్. అంపైర్, యు స్టార్ట్ ద మ్యాచ్.
Sunil on strike. Today the first match. Starts with a wide. Sugar 11 scores, starts with a single run. It's a wide ball. Purishi starts with a wide. Sunil on strike. Sunil trying for a big shot for first ball, but it's a completely beaten. Good bowling by Purishi. That ball. Good shot. It's a straight shot, and there's a fielder. Good stop by the fielder. Single run. Sai on strike. Once again, good ball by Prushi. It's a dead ball. Good ball. Once again, Purishi is going to bowl. This time, it's a bad edge. The ball goes on third man, and good stop by the fielder. It's a dead ball. Good bowling from Purishi from FM11 Ospet. Once again, Sunil on strike. Trying for a big shot. It's a dead ball. Good line from the bowler, Purishi. Back-to-back dot balls. Once again, Sunil on strike. Sunil finished to Purishi. Fast over in progress. It's a no ball, and it's a good shot. And it's a maximum. Good shot by the batsman Sunil. And this is the first maximum of Sugar 11 innings. After making so many dot balls, he hit the boundary. Good shot from Sunil. This is the first maximum of first over. And it's a no ball. And it's time to free it. It's a free ball. Good shot by Sai. It's a free ball. Once again, Sai on strike. Sai finished to Kurshi. Once again, Sai on strike. Once again, good shot. This time the ball goes on fine leg. It's a no chance to the boundary. And it's a boundary. Good batting from Sugar 11. 2 boundaries in the first over. It's a free ball. Good using by the batsman Sai. And it's over. 1 over completed. Wait for impulse call. Good shot by Sunil. It's a trying for a cut shot. This time beaten. Good bowling by Sheikh. అన్న బౌండరీ వెనకాల వెళ్ళిపోండి అన్న లైవ్ ఉంటుంది గుడ్ ఫీల్డింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ FM11. ఇట్స్ అ సింగిల్ రన్ అన్న లైవ్ జరుగుతుంది మళ్ళా చెప్తే బాగుండదు అందరూ దయచేసి కాస్త బౌండరీ వెనకాల కూర్చోండి అన్న ప్లీజ్ ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్ దయచేసి అందరు వెనకాల కూర్చోండి Sunil on strike. Try for reverse sweep, but good block. It's a dead ball. Good bowling from the bowler. Good bowling by Sibban Sheikh. It's a dead ball. Once again, Sai on strike. Sai face to Sibban Sheikh. Second over in progress. Good shot. This time the ball goes on, long on. It stands to the catch. The fielder is a misfield. And it's a misfield. And boundary. It's a 4 runs. Once again, good batting by Sai. Start. And last ball of the over. Once again, Sai on strike. Oh, it's a bad edge. And the ball goes on third man. And there's a no fielder. And it's a boundary. Back to back. Push to 28 runs without last Sugar 11. 2 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 28 పరుగులు వికెట్ నష్టపోకుండా Sugar 11. Introduce the new bowler in third over, Purushottam. Once again, Sunil on strike. Sunil face to Purushottam. Third over in progress. So far, no wickets from Gudur, Sugur. Good shot. This time the ball goes on offside. It's a couple of bounces. And good stop. Good stop by the fielder from Aspet 11. And it's a 2 runs. అన్న ఇక్కడ జామ్ అన్న బండి బయట పోనా అన్నా జామకాయ బయట పో బండి ఎప్పర్ ठीक है once again Sunil on strike it's a white ball one extra run added to the scoreboard it's a white ball Once again, Sunil on strike. Sunil pitches to Purushottam. Third over in progress. Good shot, but ball is in the air. Charge to the catch. And it's a catch. Good fielding from Rayappa on strike. Once again, good bowling by Purushottam. Straight to the fielder. It's a misfield, but easily taken single run. Good batting from Sugar 11. It's a 1 run. This time Sai on strike. Sai fetches to Purushottam. Third over in progress. Sai on strike. It's a dead ball. It's a dead ball. Once again, Sai on strike. Sai fetches to Purushottam. Sai hit few boundaries of his innings. Once again, Sai on strike. Good shot and good stop by the fielder. Once again, single run. Once again, good batting from Sai. Good striking. And Rayappa on strike. Rayappa fetches to Purushottam. Third over in progress. It's a bad edge straight to the fielder. Good stop from Muspet. It's a dot ball. Good bowling from Purushottam. And last ball of the over. Once again, Rayappa on strike. Good shot, but straight to the fielder. It's a good appeal. It's a good appeal. It's a not out. And it's over. 3 overs completed. After completion of 3 overs, score moves to 33 runs. Loss of 1 wicket. Sugar 11. 3 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 33 పరుగులు. 1 వికెట్ నష్టానికి Sugar 11.
सोसिटी एंड से गेंद डालने के लिए मोहम्मद इमरान, स्ट्राइक करने के लिए बल्लेबाज, बैट घुमा के मारना चाहते थे, अच्छी गेंद, 1 रन आसानी के साथ, लेग बाय इशारा है अंपायर. వైఎస్ఆర్ ఛాలెంజ్ ట్రోఫీ శ్రీ నీలకంఠేశ్వర జాతర సందర్భంగా స్థానిక ఎమ్మెల్యే చెన్నకేశ్వర రెడ్డి మరియు మన ప్రియతమ నాయకుడు ఎర్రగోట జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డి ఆధ్వర్యంలో వైఎస్ఆర్ ఛాలెంజ్ ట్రోఫీ अच्छी गेंद लेग साइड घुमाना चाहते थे बल्लेबाज, गुड डिलीवरी. अच्छी गेंद, गुड एंड लाइन एंड लेंथ, डॉट बॉल. వైఎస్ఆర్ కప్ శ్రీ నీలకంఠేశ్వర జాతర సందర్భంగా మన శాసనసభ్యులు చెన్నకేశ్ अच्छी शॉट मारना चाहते थे, गेम को सीधा ड्राई शॉट, अच्छी गेंद, गुड डिलीवरी. सोसाइटी एंड से गेंद डालने के लिए, स्ट्राइक करने के लिए बल्लेबाज। अच्छा शॉट मैदान पर खेल दिया, फील्डर मौजूद है, देखना चाहिए गेंद के पीछे फील्डर। 1 रन 2 रन आसानी के साथ, गुड रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट। तेजी से रन सीधी गति।
Sandeep P. Giri.
ఆధ్వర్యంలో వైఎస్ఆర్ కప్ जा रहा साले बन जा रहा। शेख अच्छी गेंद उठा दी है, गेंद हवे में, देखना चाहिए गेंद के पीछे फील्डर मौजूद। 1 रन आसानी के साथ, रनआउट का खतरा हो सकता है, देखना चाहिए मिस फील्डिंग और गेंद बस बाले बाल बच गए रनआउट मौके से। स्ट्राइक करने के लिए बल्लेबाज, पार्क एंड से गेंद डालने के लिए। अच्छा शॉट उठा दिया है, देखना चाहिए वहां पर फील्डर मौजूद है और यह खूबसूरत कैच आउट। इसी के साथ ही बैक टू पवेलियन बल्लेबाज, गेंद सीधा फील्डर को हाथ में। आखिरी गेंद में अच्छी विकेट ले लिए। अच्छी गेंद लेग साइड पर खेल दिया है, फील्डर मौजूद है, गेंद के पीछे देखना चाहिए। 1 रन आसानी के साथ। स्ट्राइक करने के लिए बल्लेबाज, बैट घुमा के मारना चाहते थे लेकिन मैदान पर 1 रन आसानी के साथ, रनआउट का खतरा हो सकता था, गुड टर्निंग बिटवीन द विकेट।
Super bowling. Once again, Amar on strike. Good batting. It's a leg by single run. It's a leg by single run. Good bowling by Mohammad Imran. Once again, Sai on strike. Sai finishes to Mohammad Imran. Good cut shot. And there is a filler. Good stop with the filler from Muspet 11. One run. Good batting by Sai. It's a single run. Once again, Amar on strike. Amar finishes to Mohammad Imran. Sixth over in progress. Good shot. The ball comes in long on. And there is a filler. Good stop. And one run. Good fielding by Subhan Sheikh. And good batting from Sugar 11. Good strike rotation. Once again, Amar on strike. Oh, what a ball. Excellent ball by Mohammad Imran. This time that ball. Good line from Mohammad Imran. And good pace. Once again, Amar on strike. Amar finishes to Mohammad Imran. Once again, Mohammad Imran is going to bowl. This time, good cut shot. And there is a filler. It's a misfield. And 2 runs. Good running between the wickets by both batsmen, Amar and Sai. It's a 2 runs. And last ball of the 6th over. Once again, Amar on strike. Last ball of the 6th over. Try for a reverse sweep, but not hit it to the wicket. It's a dot ball and it's over. 6 overs completed. After completion of 6 overs, score moves to 44 runs, loss of 2 wickets. Sugar 11 6 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 44 పరుగులు 2 వికెట్ల నష్టానికి Sugar 11 and last remaining 4 overs for in first over. In his first over, he gave 3 runs. He got 1 wicket. Good bowling by Firoz Sheikh. Good shot by Sai. This time the ball goes on the leg side, and there is a fielder. 1 run. It's a single run. Good batting. Oh, good line. It's a good line from Firoz Sheikh, and it's a dead ball. It's a no ball. It's a no ball. And it's a free ball to the batsman Amar. It's a free ball. And in strike batsman Amar. Amar fetches to Firoz Sheikh. It's a free ball. Good shot. This time the ball goes on mid wicket. And there is a no fielder. It's a 1 bounce over the rope. Good shot by Amar. Good using of free ball. And the ball goes to the boundary. maximum. Excellent shot by Amar. He made 2 balls, 2 boundaries. Good batting from Mahira 11 Sugur. 2 boundaries of 2 balls. Take 2 boundaries in 2 balls. Once again, Amara strike. Wait. Emperor. Out. Good comeback by the bowler, Firoz Sheikh. Ayaz. Sugar 11. From the Sugar 11, new batsman, Ayaz. At good line from Firoz Sheikh. He got 2 wickets. New batsman coming to the crease. Ayaz. Ayaz faces to Firoz Sheikh. And Ayaz facing first ball of Firoz Sheikh over. Toss ball. Good flick. And there is a fielder. Good stop. 1 run. Good batting from Ayaz. It's strike, single run. Toss ball. Good shot. The ball is there and it's a no chance to the fielder. And it's a big maximum. Good shot by Sai. Seven overs. Score moves to 63 runs. Loss of 3 wickets. Sugar 11. 7 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 66 పరుగులు 3 వికెట్ల నష్టానికి Sugar 11.
And today next match, Afridi Raichur versus Hitech 11. Afridi Raichur versus Hitech 11. This is a quarter-final match.
Sandy. And in strike batsman Ayaz. Ayaz on strike. Ayaz finished to Sandy, the new bowler. Good shot. The ball goes on offside and there's a fielder. Good stop. And good batting from Sugar 11. First ball, single run. Sai on strike. He hit a few boundaries in last over. Once again, Sai on strike. Sai finishes to Sandy. 8th over in progress. Good slower. Good slower from Sandy. It's a dead ball. Once again, good ball by Sandy. And good batting by Sai. Good flick to leg side. And there's a filler. Good stop. Easily taken 1 run. Good batting from Sai. From Sugar 11. Once again, Ayaz on strike. Ayaz faces to Sandy. 8th over in progress. అన్న అక్కడ పప్పులు బండి బయట రానా అన్న బయట వచ్చి వ్యాపారం చేసుకో. Once again, good slow. This time, good shot by Ayaz. Ball is in the air. And it's a maximum. Anna, bite rana. Good shot by Ayaz. Once again, Ayaz on strike. This time, good slow. Good line from Sandy. It's a good dot ball. Good comeback by the bowler. Sandy. It's a dot ball. అన్న అక్కడ బండి బయట పోనా పప్పుల బండి నీ ఇష్టం మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ చెప్పాము ఇంకా. Good shot. Good shot by Ayaz. And there is a filler. Good stop. 1 run. Good batting from Ayaz. It's a single run. Yep. Over. 8 overs completed. It's a dot ball. Over. After completion of 8 overs, score moves to 72 runs, loss of 3 wickets, Sugar 11. బయట రాను ఫస్ట్ నైన్త్ ఓవర్. Once again, Subhan Sheikh continue his second over. Good shot by Ayaz. This time the ball goes on leg side. And this is a magnificent. Good shot by Ayaz. Ninth over, first ball starts with the maximum with the bat of Ayaz. ఆడియన్స్ అక్కడ బాల్ ఇవ్వండి. नहीं रफ करके रख लेते एक बार. Good shot by Ayaz. Ninth over, first ball starts with a maximum in Subhan Sheikh over. Good start from Sugar 11. Once again, Ayaz on strike. Ayaz faces to Subhan Sheikh. Once again, good shot. This time the ball goes on leg side. And there is a fielder. Good stop. Easily convert 1 run. Once again, good batting from Ayaz. Good single. Good batting from Sugar 11. This time Sai on strike. Sai faces to Subhan Sheikh. 9th over in progress. Good shot by Sai. Good flick. And there is a filler. Wait for a purse call. Out. Good Sanju. New batsman, Sanju. Trying for a big shot, but good bowling by Subhan. Good pace. It's a dead ball. It's a dead ball. Good bowling by Subhan Sheikh. Once again, Sanju on strike. Sanju face to Subhan Sheikh. Good shot by Sanju. This time the ball goes on long on. And there is a fielder. Good stop. Trying for 2 runs. But comfortable with a single run. Good batting by Sanju. And he starts his innings with a single run. And last ball of the over. And last ball of the over. Once again, Ayaz on strike. He hit a boundary in first ball of this over. Once again, Ayaz on strike. Ayaz finished 2. Subhan Sheikh. Good ball. Good line. That ball. And over. 9 overs completed. After completion of 9 overs, score moves to 80 runs. Loss of 4 wickets. Sugar 11.
ऐसे ही और भी वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और बेल आइकन को दबाना बिल्कुल मत भूलना। ऐसे ही और भी वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और बेल आइकन को दबाना बिल्कुल मत भूलना। ऐसे ही और भी वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को
For first innings. After completion of 9 overs, score moves to 80 runs. Loss of 4 wickets. Sugur. Once again, Sandy continues second over. This time starts from Society end. Last over from first innings. Sandy continues second over and starts from Society end. And in strike batsman Sanju. Sanju on strike. Sanju face to Sandy. Last over. Sandy starts from Society end. And in strike batsman Sanju. Slow ball. Trying for a single run. And good run in between wickets. Out. Good throw by the keeper, Munna Sheikh. It's a run out. And Sanju is back to his dugout. Good fielding from FM11 Osmate. And the new batsman, Ayaz on strike. Good slower. Good cutter. It's a dot ball. Once again, good bowling by Sandy. It's a dot ball. Once again, Ayaz on strike. Oh, good line. Once again, good slower. Once again, dot ball. Back to back, 2 dot balls. Good bowling from Sandy, FM11 Osmate. Good start of a last over. 3 dot balls. Once again, Ayaz a strike. Ayaz visits to Sandy. This time, good shot. This time, the ball goes on fine leg. And the fielder is behind the ball. It's a good stop, trying for 2 runs. And good running between the wickets by both batsmen, Ayaz and Kiran. And it's a 2 runs. Good batting from Ayaz. It's a leg by. It's a leg by 2 runs. Once again, Ayaz a strike. Ayaz finished to Sandy. It's a good slower, but it's a white ball. 1 extra run added into the scoreboard. Good slower from the bowler, but it's a white ball. Once again, Kiran on strike. Kiran finishes 2. Good shot. It's a out. It's a out. Good bowling by Sandy. He got a first wicket. He got a first wicket of this match. Ayaz is back to pavilion.
జిల్లాలకు సంబంధించి
And last ball of the over. Munir on strike. It's a good slower. There is a run out chance. Out. It's out. 3 wickets in last over. And 10 overs completed. First innings score. After completion of 10 overs, score moves to 83 runs. Loss of 7 wickets. Sugar 11. 10 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 83 పరుగులు 7 వికెట్ల నష్టానికి షుగర్ 11. And the target for FM11 was bet 84 runs. Target for FM11 84 runs. 60 balls. 60 बॉल में 80 पर 4 रन चाहिए। హొస్పేట్ 11 గెలవాలంటే 60 బంతుల్లో 84 పరుగులు చేయాలి. Empires for this match. We have next 2 matches. Next match. Next match. High Tech 11 Emminganur versus Raichur. Next match. High Tech 11 versus Raichur. అన్న బయట అన్న త్వరగా. టార్గెట్ 84 runs and the openers from హొస్పేట్ 11 మున్నా షేక్, థోమస్ డియాస్. Thomas Diaz and non-strike batsman Munna Sheikh. Quarters match, target 84 runs. Thomas Diaz on strike, target 84 runs. Ember start. Okay. 84 runs. First ball. Good bowling from the bowler, Rayappa. And good batting by Thomas Diaz. Starts with a single run. Munna Sheikh. Munna Sheikh on strike. Munna Sheikh finishes 2. Rayappa, first over in progress. Munna Sheikh on strike. Good slower and good shot by Munna Sheikh. Single run. Munna Sheikh also started his innings with a single run. Good batting by Munna Sheikh. Once again, Thomas Diaz on strike. Thomas Diaz finishes 2. Rayappa. Thomas Diaz on strike. Trying for a reverse sweep. And it's a clean ball. Good ball by Rayappa. Ravi Aire. Ravi, the new batsman from Ospet 11. Good bowling by Rapa. He got a big wicket off in his first over. Thomas Diaz is back to pavilion. And the new batsman from Ospet 11. Ravi Aire. And Ravi Aire striking first ball of Rapa Soba. Toss ball and good shot by Ravi straight to the fielder and easily converts single run. Good batting from Rapa. He also starts with a single run of his innings. Once again, Munna Sheikh on strike. Munna Sheikh finishes to Rapa. First over in progress. Good shot by Munna Sheikh. It's a chance to the boundary. And a couple of bounces. The ball goes to the boundary. Good shot by Munna Sheikh. With the bat of Munna Sheikh. Once again, Munna Sheikh on strike. Good ball by Rapa. Good line. This time that ball. And it's over. First over completed. After completion of 1 over, score moves to 7 runs. Loss of 1 wicket. FM 11 Ospet. Oka over ముగిసే సమయానికి 7 పరుగులు 1 వికెట్ నష్టానికి FM 11 Ospet. Good start by both teams. And it's a boundary. Once again, Ravi on strike. Second over, first ball starts with a 4 runs. Once again, trying for a good shot, but this time not connected. Good line from the bowler, Ayaz. Good dot ball, good line. Good bowling from Mahir 11, Sugur. Once again, Ravi on strike. Ravi fails to Ayaz. Second over in progress. White. Once again, Ravi on strike. Ravi fails to Ayaz. Second over in progress. Once again, good bowling from Ayaz. There is a run out chance. and easily convert a single run. Good running by both batsmen. Ayaz. This time Munna Sheikh on strike. Munna Sheikh finishes 2. Ayaz. Second over in progress. Munna Sheikh hit a boundary in last over. Once again, Munna Sheikh on strike. Munna Sheikh finishes 2 Ayaz. A little bit of field set from the bowler. Munna Sheikh on strike. Good shot by Munna Sheikh. This time ball is in there. Chance to the catch. And safely landed. And good stop. Easily taken 1 run. Good batting from Munna Sheikh. It's a single run. Once again, Ravi on strike. Ravi faces 2 Ayaz. Ravi on strike. Ravi faces 2 Ayaz. Second over in progress. Good shot. Once again, this time the ball goes on long off. After a couple of bounces, the ball goes to the boundary. Good batting with the batsman, Ravi. He got 2 boundaries. Good batting from FM11 Hospit. Once again, Ravi Are, and last ball of the over. Ravi Are faces 2 Ayaz. Second over, last ball. Oh, what a ball. What a line from the bowler. Ayaz, that ball, and it's over. 2 overs completed. After completion of 2 overs, score moves to 17 runs. Loss of 1 wicket. FM11 Hospit. 2 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 17 పరుగులు 1 వికెట్ నష్టానికి FM11 Hospit. Last over 10 runs. From Sugar 11, and he starts from Park End. అక్కడ బండి మిర్రర్ అంతా డౌన్ చేయండి అన్న. Third over, new bowler from Sugar 11, Sanju. He starts from Park End, and his strike batsman Munna Sheikh. Munna Sheikh on strike. Third over in progress. Good ball, good slower, and good flick from Usman. Single run. Good flick by Munna Sheikh. Third over, first ball starts with a single. Once again, Ravi on strike. He hit a few boundaries in last over. Once again, Ravi on strike. Ravi finishes to Sanju. Once again, Ravi on strike. Third over in progress. Good shot, but ball is in there. Chance to the catch. And good catch by the fielder. Good catch from Sugar 11. And Ravi Are And the fielder is behind the ball. And good stop. Good stop from the Sugar 11. He saved 2 runs to his team. And 2 runs. Good batting by Sandy. He started his innings with 2 runs. Good start by Sandy. Once again, Sandy on strike. Sandy pitches to Sanju. Third over in progress. Oh, it's a middle mat ball. But the batsman is not hitted. Good bowling from Sanju. It's a dot ball. It's a dot ball. Good comeback by the bowler, Sanju. Once again, good slower. Once again, dot ball. Good bowling by Sanju. Back to back 2 dot balls. Good line from the bowler from Sugar 11. And last ball of the over. No boundaries in this over. Once again, Sandy on strike. Sandy pitches to Sanju. Last ball of the third over. Trying for a big shot. I'd say a white ball. 1 extra run moves into the scoreboard. It's a white ball. This is the first wide of this innings. 15th ward counselor Ishaq Bhai garu, heartily welcome. And last ball of the over. Trying for a big shot, but it's time beaten. That ball and it's over. 3 overs completed. After completion of 3 overs, score moves to 21 runs. Loss of 2 wicket. FM11 Hospet. 3 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 21 పరుగులు 2 వికెట్ల నష్టానికి FM11 Hospet. Fourth over in progress. Slower and good cut by Munna. Dot ball. Good fielding from Sugar 11. Fourth over first ball. Starts with a dot. Good line from the bowler, Sidhu. Fourth over first ball starts with a dot. Once again, good cut by Munna Sheikh. Once again, good fielding by the slip fielder. Back to back 2 dot balls. Good line from the bowler, Sidhu. 2 dot balls. Good bowling from Sidhu from Sugar 11. Trying for a big shot, but once again beaten. Excellent bowling by Sidhu. Back to back 4 dot balls. Back to back 3 dot balls in a fourth over. Such a good bowling from Sugar 11. Excellent ball. Once again, Munna Sheikh on strike. This time, Good touch by the Munna. Easily convert single run. Good batting from Munna Sheikh. It's a single run. Good line from the bowler, Sidhu. Good variations, good line from Sidhu. This time Sandy on strike. Sandy fails to Sidhu. Fourth over in progress. In strike batsman Sandy. Sandy on strike. A little bit of field set from the bowler. Slower ball. Good pull from Sandy. And there's a fielder. It's a misfield. And they convert 2 runs. Good running between the wickets by Munna Sheikh and Sandy. It's a 2 runs. It's a misfield from Sugar 11. And last ball of the over. Once again Sandy on strike. Sandy finishes to Sidhu. Good shot by Sandy. And there is a fielder. Good stop. Single run. And it's over. 4 overs completed.
ऐसे ही और भी वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और बेल आइकन को दबाना बिल्कुल मत भूलना। ऐसे ही और भी वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और बेल आइकन को दबाना बिल्कुल मत भूलना।
Of 4 overs. Score moves to 24 runs. Good bowling from Sugar 11. Good dominating to Hospet 11 team.
चल तम्मुडो साउंड పెట్టి గిప్
Score moves to 25 runs. Loss of 2 wicket. FM 11 Hospet. Good bowling from Sugar 11. Sanju. Once again Sanju continues second over. This time starts from park end. And in strike batsman Sandy. Sandy finishes to Sanju. In his last over he gave 4 runs. He got a wicket. Once again he continues second over. And he starts from park end. Sandy on strike. Low toss and good shot. The ball goes on long on. And good stop by the fielder. And good throw. And it's a single run. Good batting from Sandy. It's a single run. This time Munna Sheikh on strike. Munna Sheikh finishes to Sanju. 5th over in progress. Munna Sheikh on strike. Munna Sheikh finishes to Sanju. 5th over in progress. Munna Sheikh on strike. Wow, what a ball. Good block. And good batting from Munna Sheikh. It's a good single. This is a good batting from FF11 Hospet. Good strike rotation between 2 batsmen. And good understanding. This time Sandy. Sandy finishes to Sanju. 5th over in progress. Trying for a big shot, but good line from the bowler. Sanju, excellent bowling. Dot ball. Every dot ball make a pressure to the batsman. Good bowling from Sanju. Once again, Sandy on strike. This time, good shot by Sandy. The ball goes on long off. One bounce straight to the fielder. Good stop. And it's a single run. Once again, good batting from Sandy. Once again, Munna Sheikh on strike. Munna Sheikh faces to Sanju. Fifth over in progress. So far, no boundaries for Munna Sheikh innings. Good shot by Munna Sheikh. And it's a maximum. Just now we told Munna Sheikh not hit a boundary. I think he listened my words. He hit a boundary. Good shot by Munna Sheikh. This is the first maximum of Munna Sheikh innings. Okay, once again trying for a big shot, but good line from Sanju. Dot ball. And it's over. 5 overs completed. After completion of 5 overs, score moves to 34 runs, loss of 2 wicket. FM 11 స్పెట్ 5 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 34 పరుగులు 2 వికెట్ల నష్టానికి FM 11 స్పెట్. ₹50 runs of 30 balls. FM 11 need 50 runs of 30 balls. FM 11 గెలవాలంటే 30 బంతుల్లో 50 పరుగులు చేయాలి. 1 over 10 runs required. 1 over 10 runs. Munna Sheikh hit a boundary in last over. One of the best batsmen. And Sandy on strike. 6th over. Once again, Sidhu continue his second over, and he starts from his society end. Sandy on strike. 30 balls, 50 runs. Sandy on strike. Good slow, good shot, chance to the catch, and it's a excellent catch by the fielder. Simply taken, and good bowling by Sidhu. 6th over, first ball starts with a wicket. And Sandy is back to from FM 11 Ospet, Amul Dubey. Amul Dubey, the new batsman from FM 11 Ospet. And good start by Sidhu. 6th over, first ball starts with a wicket. And Munna Sheikh on strike. Good slower by Sidhu. It's a good slower. There is another chance. Direct shoot, but not hit to the wicket. Good throw by the keeper. Empa, it's a leg by a single. It's a leg by. It's a leg by single run. Once again, good line from Sidhu. Excellent bowling. And Amol Dubey. Amol Dubey. The right hand batsman Amol Dubey from FM 11 Oswet and in strike. Oh, what a line from Sidhu. Excellent line. Once again, that ball. Good variations from the bowler. Good bowling from Sidhu. Good line, good variations. Good bowling action from Sugur. This time, trying for a pull, but excellent line from Sidhu. Once again, that ball. The new batsman, Amol Dubey, is struggling for the bat. Such a great bowling from Mahir 11. Once again, Amol Dubey on strike. Amol Dubey faces to Sidhu. Once again, good. This time, good batting by Amol Dubey. Good strike position. Direct hit to the wicket, but not hit it to the wicket. Single run. This is the first run of Amol Dubey innings. 6th over, last ball. Munna Sheikh on strike. Munna Sheikh on strike. Munna Sheikh faces to Sidhu. So far, good bowling by Sidhu. Excellent bowling. Last ball of the over. Munna Sheikh on strike. And good field setup from the bowler, Sidhu. Last ball. Oh, what a bouncer. And good stop. There is another chance. And good running. It's a extra throw. Total 2 runs. It's a leg by. And total 2 runs. And it's over. 6 overs completed. After completion of 6 overs. After completion of 6 overs. Score moves to 38 runs. Loss of 3 wickets. FM 11 Oswet. 6 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 38 పరుగులు 3 వికెట్ల నష్టానికి FM 11 Oswet. FM 11 Oswet needed 46 runs of 24 balls. Oh, what a ball. Good ball by Raipa. Leg by. Leg by single run. Such a great bowling performance from Sugar 11 to this big team. Once again, Munna Sheikh on strike. Munna Sheikh finishes to Raipa. 7th over in progress. They need a big boundaries to complete the target. Munna Sheikh on strike. Munna Sheikh on strike. Munna Sheikh finishes to Raipa. 7th over in progress. Ayagaru number 1. Ayagara correct. Chandbai. Good shot by Munna Sheikh. This time the ball goes on leg side and there is a fielder. Good stop. Good fielding performance from Sugar 11 and easily convert a single run. Good batting by Munna Sheikh. And Amul Dube on strike. Amul Dube faces to Raipa. FM11 Hosped need a big boundaries to chase the target. Amul Dube. Oh, it's a clean ball. Excellent bowling by Raipa. The big wicket from FM11. Murali, the man of the match player of last match. He hit 7 maximums in his last innings. Once again, he is on strike. Murali, the big player from Hospet. FM11 Hospet need a big boundaries to chase the target. Murali on strike and good bowling by Raipa. Oh, trying for a big shot of first ball. But good line from the bowler. Raipa. It's a dot ball. Good line, good variations, good bowling actions. A good bowling from Mahir 11 Sugur. It's a dot ball. Good shot. This time the ball goes on long off. There is a fielder. And it's a brilliant catch. Excellent catch from the fielder. Superb fielding from Sugur 11. And the big player, Murali, is back to pavilion. Excellent bowling performance. Excellent fielding performance from Sugur 11. The big player, Murali, is Sanju. He bowled very well and he catched very well. Such a good talent from the player from Sugar 11, Sanju. And good bowling by Raipa. He got another wicket. And new batsman, Yogesh. Yogesh Anna, the new batsman. Last ball of 7th over. Munna Sheikh on strike. Munna Sheikh on strike. Munna Sheikh with to Raipa. No boundaries in Raipa over. Good shot. The ball goes on leg side and there is a fielder. Good stop. Such a good fielding from Sugur. Mahir 11. Single off last ball and over. After completion of 7 overs, score moves to 41 runs. Loss of 5 wickets. FM11 Hospet 7 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 41 పరుగులు 5 వికెట్ల నష్టానికి FM11 Hospet. And FM11 Hospet needed 18 balls 43 runs. 18 balls 43 runs. 18 బంతుల్లో 43 పరుగులు. Introduce the new bowler. Sugar 11 introduce the new bowler. Sai. In strike batsman Munna. Good shot by Munna Sheikh. The ball goes on long off. And it's a maximum. कही है मुन्ना शेख on strike. Audience बाली होना ना. Good shot by Munna Sheikh. And the first ball starts with a maximum. Once again, Munna Sheikh on strike. And Munna Sheikh welcomed the bowler with a maximum. Once again, Munna Sheikh finishes to Sai. Next match, High-Tech 11 and Raichur, both team captains, please come for the toss. High-Tech 11 and Raichur, both team captains, please come for the toss. Munna Sheikh on strike. Toss ball! It's another maximum! तब तक मुन्ना शेख ग्रीस में है, तब तक मैच होस्पेट का ही है. Once again, Munna Sheikh on strike. 2 balls, 2 maximums. Once again, Munna Sheikh finishes to Sai. Once again, good shot. This time the ball goes on outside. After rolling the ball, the ball goes to the boundary.
అట్లానా ఒకట్లా
Oh. Munna Sheikh shaking the match. High-Tech captain Muthu bhai. Captain వచ్చినారు ఇక్కడ. ముత్తు భాయ్ గారు లోకల్ టీమ్ కెప్టెన్. త్వరగా స్టేజ్ దగ్గర రావాలి. రాయచూర్ కెప్టెన్ వచ్చేసినారు ఇక్కడ. మున్నా షేక్ షేకింగ్ ద మ్యాచ్. వన్స్ అగైన్ మున్నా షేక్ ఆన్ స్ట్రైక్. 4 balls, 4 boundaries. The big player Munna bhai. Once again Munna Sheikh on strike. Once again charge to the catch. It's a wait for umpire's call. Wait for umpire's call. Wait for umpire's call. इधर replay है. ग्रीस देखो. आउट आउट या मैच में बदला हुआ. मुन्ना is back to pavilion. One of the best batsmen and the informed batsman Munna Sheikh is back to pavilion. Excellent catch by the fielder from Sugar 11. Good comeback from Sugar 11. The big player back to pavilion. Muthu bhai garu toss వేయడానికి స్టేజ్ దగ్గర రావాలి. ముత్తుబాయ్ గారు టాస్ వేయడానికి స్టేజ్ దగ్గర రావాలి. లోకల్ టీమ్ కెప్టెన్ ముత్తుబాయ్. व्हाट अ कैच बाय द फील्डर. हाईटेक 11 आप देरी करते हो आपको 8 ओवर्स रहते हैं, उनको 10 ओवर्स रहते हैं. नो डाउट. कितना जल्दी हुआ उतना जल्दी आना. लोकल टीम लेट नहीं करना. पीछे से आ रहे हैं आप. क्या सो जा रहे हैं कैसा? Excellent catch from Sugar 11. Still the match is on both team sides. Excellent batting by Munna Sheikh. After hitting a few boundaries, he back to pavilion. And the new batsman, Purushottam. Excellent catch by the fielder, Mahira 11. Brilliant catch, jersey number 2. And Purushottam on strike, the new batsman from FM 11 Hospet. Purushottam pitches to Sai. Anna audience, boundary line enkala pond anna. Sugar players, boundary enkala elpondi. It's a bat hit. The ball goes on backside. Chance with the boundary. Rolling, 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 and it's a boundary. Excellent shot by. अभी एक बॉल है. ओवर होने के लिए एक बॉल है. ओवर का इधर ओवर एक बॉल स्लो रहता है इसमें. स्लो रहता है एक ओवर. वेट 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 1 मिनट. थोड़ी देर रुको. कुछ भी नहीं जाता यार. Last ball 4 runs, buys 4 runs. After completion of 8 overs, score boost to 67 runs, loss of 6 wicket. FM 11 Hospet 67 పరుగులు and 12 balls 17 runs. 12 బంతుల్లో 17 పరుగులు కొట్టాలి FM 11 Hospet గెలవాలంటే. 12 balls 17 runs. Referee toss the referee is ready for the toss, and the toss won by. Toss किसका है? Afridi Raichur won the toss, but wait for the decision. थोड़ी जल्दी बोला है. ठीक है. चलो 12 बॉल में 17 रन चाहिए. New Jersey, High-Tech 11. Muttibai. Ayaz. Ayaz continues second over. Good reverse sweep. It's a chance for the boundary. Good shot by Yogesh. 4 runs. Batting. Okay, Raichur won the toss, selected to bat first. High-Tech 11 ready on fielding. Toss ball. Good shot by Yogesh. The ball goes on long on. And there's a fielder. Trying for 2 runs. Trying for 2 runs. Excellent running between the wickets by both batsmen. Yogesh and Purushottam. It's a 2 runs. Good converting by the both batsmen into the crease. Excellent batting. Once again, Yogesh Anna strike. Yogesh Anna finished to us. Raichur 12th player स्टेज के पास आना है. Good shot by Yogesh Anna. Anna अभी मैच जिंदा है बोथ टीम्स के लिए.
Once again, Yogesh Anna strike. Yogesh Anna finishes to Ayaz. Good shot. This time ball is in there, and there is a fielder. Safely landed. Trying for 2 runs. What a converting by the both batsmen. Good converting by both batsmen. Once again, 2 runs. Nine balls, 7 runs. It's a reverse sweep, and it's a 4 runs.